Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Hello. How can I help you?
I have an appointment today.
Okay. What time is your appointment?
At 2:30 p.m.
And your name, please.
Sarah Brown.
Okay. Please wait for a few minutes.
Sure.
The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I do not feel good.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a headache and my body feels tired.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little fever.
Since when?
Since yesterday morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, not really. I woke up many times.
I understand. Are you coughing?
Yes, a little cough.
Okay. Please sit here. I want to check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is a little high.
Oh no.
Don't worry. I think you have a cold.
Is it serious?
No, I don't think so, but you need rest.
Okay.
Drink warm water and tea.
I will.
And take this medicine 2 times a day.
Before food or after food?
After food.
Okay, doctor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What brings you here today?
My stomach hurts.
I see. Since when?
Since last night.
Did you eat something unusual?
Yes, I ate spicy food.
Okay. Do you feel sick now?
Yes, a little.
Any fever?
No fever.
Okay. Please drink more water today.
Okay.
And do not eat spicy food for a few days.
That will be hard. I love spicy food.
I know, but your stomach needs rest.
Okay, doctor.
I will give you medicine for the pain.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, Green Clinic.
Hello. I want to make an appointment.
Of course. What day do you want?
Is Friday okay?
Yes, Friday is available. Morning or afternoon?
Afternoon, please.
Okay. 3 p.m. is open.
Perfect.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Brown.
Thank you, Sarah. See you on Friday.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Doctor, are you busy today?
Very busy. I saw many patients this morning.
Did you eat lunch?
Not yet.
You should eat something.
I know. I'm very hungry now.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes salad, sometimes a sandwich.
That sounds healthy.
I try to eat healthy food.
That is good.
What about you?
I like chicken soup.
Chicken soup is very good, especially when you are sick.
Yes, my mother always makes soup for me.
Mothers know best.
That's true.
Good evening, doctor.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I cannot sleep well at night.
How many hours do you sleep?
Maybe 4 or 5 hours.
Do you drink coffee at night?
Yes, every evening.
That may be the problem.
Really?
Yes. Try not to drink coffee after 6 p.m.
Okay.
Also, do not use your phone before sleep.
I use my phone every night.
Many people do, but it can make sleep difficult.
I understand.
Try reading a book instead.
That sounds nice.
And relax before bed.
Thank you for the advice, doctor.
You're welcome. Sleep well tonight. Hello, honey.
Hi, are you still at the clinic?
No, I just finished work.
Oh, you worked all day again.
Yes, I am very tired today.
Did you see many patients?
Yes, many patients came today.
That sounds busy.
Very busy.
Are you coming home now?
Yes, but I'm hungry.
Me too.
Do you want to cook at home?
Maybe not tonight.
I agree. I don't want to cook either.
Do you want to eat at a restaurant?
That sounds nice.
Okay, what do you want to eat?
Maybe pasta or soup.
Pasta sounds good.
Okay. There is a nice Italian restaurant near the park.
Oh, yes, I like that place.
Should we go there?
Yes, let's go.
Great. I will pick you up first.
Okay, how long will it take?
Maybe 20 minutes.
All right, I will get ready.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you, honey. Bye.